Hello students, today in this video we are going to learn about chapter 2 of history, that is early humans, and this is part 1 of this chapter. So let's continue. The topics to be covered are evolution of early humans, why did early man move frequently, and the types of Stone Age, wherein we are going to specifically talk about the Paleolithic age. Now children, talking about the evolution of early humans, we all know that humans have been on earth for millions of years now, and evidences such as skeletons and bones reveal that humans first evolved in Africa, and that is why Africa is also known as the cradle of humankind. Children, at the same time there are evidences to show that humans originate from ape-like ancestors, and over 4 million years ago humans started evolving and developed the earliest defining human trait, which is known as bipedalism. Children, bipedalism freed their hands and enabled them to carry things like food and their young ones. At the same time, it is very important to know that early men lived a nomadic life. They hunted wild animals for food and gathered fruits, nuts and roots to eat. Now next question comes, why did early man move frequently? Children, as I told you that early men was a nomad, and they used to move from one place to another in search of food. Therefore, when the fruits and animals available at a place got exhausted, they moved to some other place in search of food. Second reason, as animals migrated from one place to another with seasonal change, so did early man, who was dependent on hunting animals. Children, because as I told you that early humans were always on a move for food, therefore when animals were moving, hence human beings were running after them. Now the third reason, different plants bore fruits at different seasons. So hunter-gatherers might have moved from season to season in search of different kinds of plants. So these were the reasons why early men moved frequently from one place to another, children. Now children, talking about the next topic, that is tools and weapons and the Stone Age. As you all know that early men used tools made up of stone, wood and bone. And why these tools used? Early men used these tools for hunting, cutting meat and bone, scraping bark from trees, or chopping fruit and roots, and making spears and arrows for hunting. And children, this period of human development from around 5 lakh BC to 4000 BC, that when human use stone tools, is called Stone Age. And the Stone Age can be further divided into 3 stages, children. The first is Old Stone Age or Paleolithic Age. Second one is Middle Stone Age or Mesolithic Age. And the third one is New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Children, talking about the first age, that is Paleolithic Age. The term Paleolithic is derived from Greek word, children, and Paleo means old and lithos means stone. So in all, Paleolithic age means period of old stone. And this is really interesting to know, children, that this age comprises 99% of human history. So that covers the major part of human history, children. Now talking about its main features, first one is hunting and gathering food. Children, Paleolithic humans were mainly nomads and they moved in groups. They hunted wild animals and collected fruit, roots, seeds for food. Now the second point discusses about the shelter and clothing of early humans. So these humans lived in caves, trees or natural rock shelters to protect themselves from wild animals. At the same time, it is interesting to know that humans used hides of skins. Hides means the skin of the animals. So they used hides of animals or leaves and bark of trees to cover their bodies. Children, the next important feature is art. Children, I must tell you that Paleolithic age, or the humans that belong to this period, were also famous for making cave paintings. Because towards the end of Paleolithic age, beautiful cave paintings started appearing in various sites around the world. And most of the cave paintings were of the animals such as wild horses, bison, rhinoceros, reindeer and deer. And the colors that were used for such paintings were really bright, which was extracted from minerals like iron ore and charcoal. Children, that's all for part 1 of early humans. Thank you.